Good afternoon, children. Today we will read Chapter 13, A Good Home, of Unit 2, Food and Shelter. This chapter is the last chapter of this unit. In this, you can see two houses. One is this and the second one is this. This one is a perfect house. And what makes this house different from this? Now, look at the two pictures and you have to list the difference between these two houses. Here, the lesson starts. Our home. The house we live in is called our home. We like to live in a good home. A good home has doors and windows to allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the rooms. The rays of sun kill germs. Thus, sunlight helps us keep our house free from germs. So, what makes a home a good home? In a good home, doors and windows always allow fresh air and sunlight to enter the rooms. And sunlight keeps the house fresh and free from germs by killing them. We need fresh air to breathe. Doors and windows allow fresh air to enter the house. If the air is not fresh, we may fall sick. A good home also has wire netting on doors and windows to stop flies and mosquitoes from coming in. Flies and mosquitoes spread diseases. Malaria and dengue are common diseases spread by mosquitoes. Here, in this home, you can see even many people, they like to seal windows and doors of their houses with wire netting. Why? Because they do not want flies, mosquitoes or other insects to come inside their home. And these flies and mosquitoes may harm us by spreading different diseases. So mosquitoes can spread malaria and dengue like common diseases, and flies, they also spread diseases. Now turn the page. Now here we will read about ventilation. What is ventilation? Ventilation means movement of air inside a room or a house. That is called ventilation. Here in the picture it is clearly shown. Let us read about that. A good home has good ventilation in order to allow fresh air to move inside a room. A ventilation is an opening near the ceiling of a room. So here you can see ventilation is how nicely this room is. Picture of the room is shown here. Fresh air, it is coming inside the room, and the stale air, that is the air which is not fresh, having unpleasant smell, maybe, is going out of the ventilator. And this ventilator is near the ceiling, that is near to the roof. Warm and stale air rises up and goes out from the ventilator. Fresh air comes in from the windows to take its place. This is how ventilation takes place inside a room. So ventilation is a process in which fresh air comes inside the room. It takes its place. How it takes its place? By sending the unpleasant air or the stale air, the air which is not fresh, by throwing it out of the room. It takes its place. So here, see this picture given here. showing how fresh air is coming inside and the stale air which is not fresh is going out from the ventilator.